Walang pangalan yun, pero napanood ko yung Alice in Borderland. Natapos yung contest. Kung alam ko yung detalye na dinagawa.
Pero kung ano,
wala pa mo. Pag-uwi na pa lang tayo. Ayun pa lang.
Hi guys, we are here in Chirito Pagoda and the beautiful Mount Fuji is our background here. It's really awesome. This is our last stop for our tour today, and this morning we came from Hakone Lake and today we're heading back to Tokyo. I'm sorry. Ang ganda. That's the pagoda, Chirito Pagoda. Nagpipicture pa silang dalawa. Nag-i-enjoy sila dalawa.
siguro bawal magtayo ng bahay di, ano lang.
Bawal. Meron pa dyan sa mga base of the maraming bahay sa base ng...
Kasi pag pumuputok
Oo.
yun, diba?
Yes.
Maano siya talaga. Naabutan mo pumutok yun.
Hindi pa yan siya for how many years? 100 of years. Sleeping volcano. But it's an active volcano. Yeah.
Oo. So nakikita niyo siya minsan umuusok din.
Wala.
Wala rin.
We are here in Chirito Pagoda with our dear client. Hello from Nueva Ecija. Welcome to Japan, sir and ma'am. Kyle, hello Kyle. Where are you, Kyle? In Fuji City. That's right.
Di ba, Kyle, in